So, you want to install Windows 11 on an older computer, but you're getting this message? Today, we're gonna fix it. Stay tuned. Okay, I imagine that if you have tried to install Windows 11, you should already have the Windows 11 media created, but for those who don't, I'm gonna let you know how to do it. All others, if you'd like to, you can jump to the nitty-gritty on the timestamp you're seeing on screen. Right, to create the Windows 11 USB media, navigate to the link you're seeing on screen. Scroll a bit down and download the Windows 11 Media Creation tool. Once downloaded, run it. And if you get this message, just click on Yes to proceed. Make sure to read and accept the license terms. On the language and edition window, I'm leaving all as default, but if you'd like, you could choose whatever edition you'd like. I'm going to click Next. Let's choose USB here. You could also opt to download the ISO and burn it later using a third-party tool, or burn it to a DVD. For this video, I'm using the Media Creation tool to burn the image directly to the USB drive. Remember that this drive should be at least 8 GB. Remember also that all data on the USB drive will be lost. Make sure that you have backed up the drive before continuing if you have any important files on it. And now it's just a matter of waiting while the Media Creation tool burns the image. Okay, once finished, let's boot up the computer with the USB drive. Okay, now with the USB plugged in, let's reboot the computer. Hopefully your computer will immediately boot from the USB drive. If not, you'd have to read your computer's manual to understand how to make your computer boot from USB. Since this is different from manufacturer to manufacturer, it's impossible for me to cover it here. Once you reach the Windows Setup initial screen, use the Shift plus F10 keyboard shortcut to open a command prompt. Note that I pressed the next button, but you don't need to. In the command prompt, type in regedit and press enter. In the registry editor, navigate to HKey local machine system setup and right-click the setup folder to create a new key. A key is basically a new folder. Name this key labconfig, and now inside this new labconfig folder, let's create two dword 32-bit values. For that, right-click the labconfig key and create a new dword 32-bit value. Name it bypass TPM check and press enter. Repeat the previous steps to create another dword 32-bit value and name it bypass secure boot check. Once we have these keys created, let's change their value from 0 to 1 on both keys. And once this is done, you can close all windows and proceed with the Windows 11 setup. In my case, by clicking on Install Now, but if you are still in the previous screen, click Next and it will bring you to this screen. Don't forget to read and accept the license agreement. Since I don't want to keep my old Windows 10 files, I'm going to click on Custom, Install Windows Only. I haven't tried yet the upgrade option, maybe I'll do that in another video. And now I'm going to delete all partitions and perform a brand new Windows installation, which is the scope of this video. Once you click Next, it's just a matter of going through a regular Windows setup and do the regular Windows customization. Et voila, we are in Windows 11. And if Windows 10 has been previously activated on the machine where you are installing Windows 11, after the installation, Windows 11 will get activated automatically. This is all I have for you today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I see you soon.